Maybe my audio is not fixed. Let me see.
Now we could hear you.
Oh, okay, okay. Hello, Patrick.
Hi.
So please, how can I help you today?
Zenia, make sure your speaker is on because this is the audio is not working. Unmute yourself.
Hello, Jose.
Hello, Zenya. Please tell me, how can I help you today?
This week I have done two things. The first thing is to add more features. And I reviewed the Python code you provided us, and I incorporated all the features it included. I've tried to calculate the features for 1,000 data, and it need many time to calculate, and maybe it need 10 hours for my initial data to get all the features. So I will try that later and see how it performs. And the second thing I have done is to try to fit our model to different uh, assets. And I
Mm-hmm.
found the performance is very different. Like previously, we used Tesla stock, and the performance is not good. But I tried the model to different assets. The
Mm-hmm.
performance is really different. So I would like to figure out why there is this kind of difference. Mm, and find if I can find the best asset for the model.
Yeah, so of course that depends on the asset, the stock, the forex, the crypto. Depending on the asset, you will have different results. As long as you find consistency in the results with a single asset, then you will be fine with respect to take your strategy live.
Um,
Yeah. And regarding the features the feature engineering notebooks that I share with you, yes, it takes some time to deploy all the predictions and then consequently use them as columns for features as features. But whenever you take this feature engineering notebook live, it's not that you will take 10 hours to deploy all the historical data. Actually, you will need to save these predictions in a CSV file, for example, and then for the next period while you're trading, you will just compute the next period forecasts, or the next period, the next period predictions. So it's not that uh, it actually it will actually be visible to use these notebooks now. Yeah.
think
And also, don't forget that you should, uh, um, from the beginning of creating the predictions and also the features up to you send the market order, that time spent should be less than the trading frequency that you're going to trade, that the frequency that you're going to trade. Because, for example, if you run your models and it takes like 5 minutes, but your trading frequency is 1 minute, then this is something not advisable to do. You should make your trading frequency higher than the time spent to get the signal in order to trade.
stand this and would make sure the time consuming to calculate the features.
Yes, you have to make a time it in Jupyter, for example, and see how much time it takes to deploy from the features up to get the signal. And you can do it in a backtesting, in an event-driven backtest script instead of a vectorized backtesting. Yeah. Do you have any more questions?
Prince have some questions.
Okay,
Yes.
sure. Hello, Prince.
Let me. Hello, yes, eh.
Hello, Prince.
Yes, I just wanted to find out from you, is it advisable to also consider time-based features?
Yes, of course. You should consider time-based features like, for example, the hour where you are located, the month, the year, the minute in case you are trading in minutes. Yeah, they are really helpful. You can set as many features as you would like because the feature importance algorithm will take care of the decision of using the specific features that are important for your machine learning model.
Okay. And in when you decide to include time-based features, should it be the case that you have to provide them before other features, or you can just mix them and the feature importance algorithm will take care of it?
I don't understand your question.
So
So
I
you
want
should, before you apply the feature importance algorithm, you should have all the
okay,
features that you would like to have. Then the feature importance algorithm with those features will choose the best feature.
okay, all right.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Do you have any more questions, maybe?
Not I I just included it, but then I did not run it, so I'll do that later.
Okay, okay. So, Zhenyan, do you have maybe other questions?
Maybe no. Try to do that quickly and see how it performs.
Okay, cool. Okay. Don't forget to share your notebook, to see how I can help you with
Okay,
some with an advice or something.
okay.
Yeah. And don't forget to do your documentation. It's really important. Whatever you do in your file, in your notebook, please create that documentation because as explained previously, whenever you want to have a job interview, it's really important to have the documentation of your project. So whenever they ask you, hey, what project did you do? How was it? What what the project was about? What did you do precisely? So with the documentation, you will be sure that you have in mind all everything about your project. Yeah. Okay. So
Thank
if
you, Steve.
there,
Thank you.
thanks to thank you, Prince. Thank you, Zenya. See you next time.
Okay.
See
Bye.
you. Bye.
I included some time base. Currently, what we are doing is to add additional features to the features that we were using. So you say provided some feature engineering package for us to consider them in our features, of which we've incorporated it. So what we are trying to do now is also look at from our end some additional features that we think we can include, and the feature importance algorithm will just pick those that are important for the project. So that is what we are doing. So I did ask him if it's advisable for us to also consider some time importance, some time-based features, and he mentioned that that is okay. We can include them. So that is what I'm trying to work on currently and share it. So we already have our features. So the new one that I added was the time-based features, of which we are yet to include it in our main work. This is from where I'm working from. So we have that of the hour, the day of the week, and when it is weekend, maybe something may happen. There may be a news that may affect the stock market. So those are the features that I've added now. But the main features that we have, these are the main features that we have from trend features. We have different types of trend features. We have that of momentum features, and we have that of volatility features. But this is not the full updated one. That is what I'm working on here. When I run it in, that's what it doesn't work. So you could see I'm trying to copy everything to run it again to see if it will work here. Professor, we didn't work. Oh,
Okay. This week I tried my model to different data set of different assets, and also I incorporated more features. I can show you my screen.
stop sharing.
Actually, oh, so for different asset, I have different performance here. This is for the Tesla stock, and the performance is not good. But for a different asset, this is Apple stock, the performance is good. So I'm trying to figure out why there is this kind of difference and see how can I take advantage of this and to improve my models. And this week, as Jose said, the more features we have, the better performance we will get. So instead of the preset just now, we have incorporated this kind of features this week. This is the first part. Is the time series model. So there's three different models, so we will get three features here. And another part is this. We use this package from Python to add more features. So in using this function, we can get, I guess, 100 more features. Oh, okay, we will get 730 features here. But because there are too many features, so probably we will need more time to train the model and get the features, because initially we have data set of 10,000, so maybe we need 10 hours to get all the features. So we will do this later to get all the features and incorporate it in our model to see how this performs. And for the model part, we are trying different risk management method. Um, uh, because we are trying to find the best strategy and the best model. So we have tried two different model and two different risk management method to see how they can to see if they So there are four examples of our model and backtesting strategy. There are simple model and model with hidden Markov chain, and risk management. We have the average change rate to stop loss and take profits, and also we will have trailing stop loss. So we match this. We match the models and the risk management method to see which one would be the best.
And how can this be used, practically speaking? Prince and Zinian, what?
Professor, your question again?
How can this be used if somebody were to explain that to someone?
How can it be used?
How could you use this concept of the falling knives to a third party, not to me, to a third party?
Okay, so it can be used to make a trading decision. That is when you have a data on a particular stock that you would want to trade on, and you apply this model on it. It will give you a signal and when to enter, when not to enter, and it will even tell you the probability of you getting something out of your trade.
And does it work?
Please come again.
And does it work?
Yes. So we can see the result here. This is the equity curve comparison. So after we use the model, we will get the trading signal. So we back testing the trading signal we get, and with the testing data set, which is not included in the training set. So we get the equity curve here. If trading with our signal and stop loss and take profits strategy, then we will get the performance here. The blue line is the strategy we have, and the orange line is the buy and hold, simple buy and hold strategy. So sometimes it performs good, sometimes it is not good. So this is what we want to improve. We want to make the equity curve more smooth than the buy and hold strategy, and also we would like to make the equity curve go up more.
Was the question? It's follow-up question. Was it how does
So
it?
leave the screen on, okay? We'll wait for the other group.
And see you join. How you doing?
No, don't worry.